The Midwest Homes for Pets Large Dog Crate is the best dog crate in 2023. The Life Stages Folding Metal Dog Crate by Midwest Homes for Pets includes all of the features you will need to provide a convenient, safe and secure pet home for your best friend, from puppy to adulthood. This crate includes a divider panel allowing you to adjust the size of the living area as your puppy grows. The plastic leak-proof pan allows easy cleanup in the event of an accident. A strong plastic carrying handle is included for convenient portability, and rubber feet on the bottom of the crate protect the floors inside your home. We recently enhanced the safety and security of the Life Stages crate by adding locking tips on the slide bolt latches to securely lock the door and patented paw block, which prohibits your dog from tampering with the door lock from the inside. Midwest Life Stages crates also feature patented rounded side clips that reduce possible sharp points to ensure a safe experience for you and your pet. Every Life Stages metal dog crate conveniently folds down flat for travel. Your dog should be able to comfortably sit upright, lay down, and easily turn around inside the crate. When in doubt, we suggest you purchase a larger crate option. We at Midwest Homes for Pets understand that your dog is a part of your family. That's why we ensure our dog crates are manufactured with the highest quality control standards to create a safe and secure home for your pet. Assembly and safety instructions are included. Please read all safety instructions prior to use.